Hello friends, here I'm going to talk about Code Dala Road. So firstly I'm going to talk about Paniya Dodoji danger sign. So the danger signs are triangular in shape. If the background is white then they are permanent, and if the background is yellow it means they are the temporary one. So the first sign that I'm going to talk about is Passage de Niveau sans barrière ne demi barrière. So it means there is a crossing without barrier, or maybe a half barrier is there. So be careful while driving over there. A second dangerous sign is traverser des voies de tramway. So it shows that it is a crossing of the tramway. So be careful while driving on this lane. Our next sign is traverser des voies de bus. So this dangerous sign, it shows us about the crossing of the bus lanes. And our fourth sign is endroit fréquente par les enfants. So it shows that it is a place where that is used by mostly by the children. So be careful while driving on this road. And our last sign is passage pour piéton. So it shows that it is the pedestrian crossing. So be careful while driving. So thank you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.